Ang superstar guard na si Damian Lillard ay sa wakas na trade na. Ngunit magkakaroon pa ba ng isa pang blockbuster deal? Ipinadala ng Portland si Lillard sa Milwaukee Bucks at kinuha nila pabalik si Jrue Holiday, DeAndre Ayton, Toumani Camara at mga draft pick bilang kapalit sa naganap na 3-team trade. Ang Warriors ay hindi kailanman naging bahagi ng usapan para maging landing spot ni Lillard. Sa katunayan, sinabi kamakailan ng superstar na mas gugustuhin niyang matalo bawat season kaysa sumali sa Golden State. Ngunit si Brian Windhorst ng ESPN ay nag-speculate na si Jrue Holiday ay maaaring nasa trading block na agad, dahil wala siyang puwang sa nagre-rebuild na Blazers. Even the Warriors, who have interesting young players on their roster, plus a few far-out draft picks and swaps when Stephen Curry might be retired, could join the race to trade for Holiday. Provided they'd be willing to retrade Chris Paul, who members of the organization have praised for his off-season work of trying to fit in. Curry has never had a backcourt teammate such as Paul, but he's also never had a teammate with Holiday's skill set, and he's 5 years younger. Ngunit para magawa ang trade, ang Warriors ay kailangang alisin ang malaking kontrata sa team tulad ng kay CP3, nakikita ng $30.8 million ngayong season at may hindi garantisadong $30 million next year. Gayunpaman, hindi lamang ang Golden State ang pinag-isipan na trade partner, ayon kay Windhorst. Inilista rin niya ang Miami Heat, Boston Celtics, Philadelphia 76ers, Los Angeles Clippers, New Orleans Pelicans, New York Knicks at Sacramento Kings bilang mga koponan na posibleng makakahanap ng paraan para makapag-trade para kay Holiday. Last season, ang combo defensive guard ay nag-average ng 19.3 points, 5.1 rebounds, 7.4 assists, at nag-shoot ng 47.9% sa field, at 38.4% naman sa tres. Kung kayo ang tatanungin, saan mas bagay mapunta ang veteranong player gaya ni Jrue Holiday? Let me know sa comment section. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video? Please like and subscribe naman dyan.